morning, and I am back with another video. Today I will show you how to do a paint protection for your new car. Normally there are different methods of paint protection. People go for expensive treatments like Teflon coating, ceramic coating. In a country like India where it is very hot and humid, this type of protections, what they actually say that they last for a year or two, but normally this doesn't happen due to these harsh weather conditions. They weather away very fast, and the price you are paying for those treatments are quite high. So my practice is a old school of thought, and I have maintained my previous cars in this way. What I follow is first clean the car and wash it with a shampoo so that it is totally free of dust and grime, and then apply waxing. Proper waxing helps to protect your car paint for 2 to 3 months easily, and it is reapplicable, and it's very cheap and it's very much effective. So what I suggest to follow this procedure, and you can do it on your own and at a very fraction of a cost, and your paint will look like new even after 5 or 6 years. You can watch my previous video where I have shown my car which is 5 years old but still looking like new, and I have followed the same practice for the last 10 years. So let's start the procedure and for this good results. Water, and I have sprayed generously, and before applying shampoo water, please remove all loose dust with the help of a duster, and if it is very much dusty condition, it is better to wash with a running water. So the car has been serviced yesterday, so it has been already cleaned. Since there was a storm yesterday and there is accumulated loose dust, so I require to clean it with a shampoo water. So I will divide the car in 4 or 5 parts. Once you apply the wax, you have to do it very fast so that the wax doesn't becomes hard and stick to your body. So, and the most preferable time to do this work is early in the morning when the weather is cool, and always do this type of job in a cool dry shade position. So I have cleaned this area. Now I will apply wax. This purpose I will be using Wavex Carnauba wax. You can use different other brands also, and I have procured this wax online from Amazon. So if you want to purchase this wax, I will give you the links below. And for application I will be using a sponge, and it's better to moist this particular sponge and apply it generously. So before using this wax, I will shake it. I will moist it little, so it will be easier to spread the wax. I will first perform this side and gradually go towards that side. ওদিকটা দিয়েছো তো, আবার কেন দিলে? না So the entire roof has been completed. You can see the shine. So the roof has been completed. In this way we'll cover the entire car, and you can easily see the shine. My house is reflecting on the roof. Absolutely mirror type finish. So I will do the same procedure in the entire car. So let's start from the bonnet area. For the bonnet area has some minor hairline scratches, uh, scratches. So to remove those scratches and giving it a clear finish, I will use this Meguiers Ultimate Polish Pre-Wax Glaze. It should be used only when you feel that there are some hairline scratches and you need to remove it. Apply few drops. In this process, your hairline scratches will be removed, and okay, it's done. Now I will apply wax. Applying the wax. So check the shine in the bonnet area. Absolutely glossy and mirror finish. Absolutely glossy and mirror finish. Okay, so this area is complete. So no need of those expensive Teflon coatings. Actually, it's a myth using a Teflon, and it will give you a very good shine just for first 3 months, and after then it becomes dull. So by applying any good quality polish, you can easily maintain your car like this, and if you apply it regularly after 3 months, the paint will remain as good as new even after 5 or 6 years. So I will always recommend use waxing your own car, and always avoid machine polish. What happens in machine polish, it actually takes a layer of paint away. As you go on machining and machining, your paint gets lighter and lighter, but in hand polish everything remains as it is, and there is very little paint wear, and the car looks like new. So once you purchase a car, you need to do it as soon as possible. So in this way you can easily protect your paint. Some labor is required to do this job, and if you are willing to spend this labor, you can easily do it on your own. Now the black area, for this I will be using এটা একটু দেখাও তো. For the black area I will be using this particular polish. This is wax pol all purpose polish which you can apply in your plastic parts. So in order to cover the black plastic parts I will use this polish. The black areas. All the black areas. Finally the entire job has been completed. All the entire body has been waxed and buffed to a shine, and you can find the very brilliant shine it's giving. Even the black areas have been applied with polishes, and finally the job is complete. So thank you folks. Please subscribe to my channel for more do-it-yourself videos like this, and I will ask those viewers who have not subscribed to my channel to subscribe more for videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.